If you want to download Google Pay in your iOS 16, but if you open your App Store and you see the Google Pay app isn't available in your App Store, this tutorial review will show you how you can fix this problem and how to download the Google Pay app in your iOS 16. First of all, open your App Store, tap on your profile photo at the top right, tap on your account, tap on country, region, tap on change country or region, and scroll down and you have to select here United States. Tap on agree at the top right and select here none and give your billing address. Enter a dummy phone number here. Tap on next. Close your App Store and relaunch it. And now search for Google Pay. And you will get the Google Pay app here. Now tap on get to install it. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.